friends, how are you today? I'm going to read you a book, Tractor Mac Farm Days, written and illustrated by Billy Steers. Tractor Mac wakes up, eager to start the day. Tractor Mac is ready with a tool for every job. Tractor Mac plows, land is turned over. Tractor Mac harrows to break up the soil. Tractor Mac plants. Seeds grow into food. Tractor Mac grades. Roads are made smooth. Tractor Mac scoops. The barn is kept neat. Tractor Mac mows. Hayfields are cut. Tractor Mac harvests healthy meals for all. Tractor Mac pulls. Do you like hay rides? Tractor Mac powers. Belts run machines. Tractor Mac bathes. Washing can be fun. Tractor Mac sleeps. What a good day on the farm. Bye, friends. Have a good day.